Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the NASDAQ futures. Today is Thursday, February 1st. Time is around 6:15 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the 1 hour chart, and in the primary scenario we were expecting another leg down here to have a complete correction, because this was our wave 3. This here is our wave 4 area, and during my last video, I do not remember, I think we were somewhere here, and I told you that the main expectation would be to have another leg down, because this structure here seemed like 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore this is an incomplete correction, and now here we have another leg down, probably the C leg, which could mean that this correction here is finished after a wave 4. So A, B, C. So as you can see, we are here in our wave 4 area. So assuming that we started a new upward cycle here from the wave 2 low, we have 1, 2, 3, and so that would mean that we are now working on the wave 4, or the wave 4 is finished, and that we need another 5th wave up. For the moment, if we take the length of the wave 3, we can see that we are in the wave 4 area, which is the area between the 0.146 and the 0.618 FIB retracement. We also have a nice reaction here from the equal leg area. If we take the length of our wave A, the length of our wave B, then here the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the area where we expect our wave C to end. And so if we now go to the 15 minutes, like I told you, there is a possibility that we are actually finished right here. We have a low with divergence. However, if I look at the 1 hour, I think we cannot exclude here another low. Like if we make another low right here, we will probably still end up with divergence here compared to our wave 3 of 3. So therefore could be finished here, but another low cannot be excluded to finish this wave C. So that would be one interpretation, that we are done here, or that we are soon done after another low. An alternative would be as a wave 4, but this becomes unlikely because we do not have that much space anymore in our wave 4 area, that we would do an WXY structure. So A, B, C finished here in 3, then wave X up, and then again 1, 2, 3. But this all has to happen in this wave 4 area. So therefore seems unlikely. So the scenario here in green says that soon after making another low, or even from here, we should start our 5th wave up. This is the primary scenario, the bullish scenario. Remember, I also shared with you in earlier videos a bearish scenario. And the last video that I was discussing this bearish scenario, we were somewhere here. And at that moment, I told you we really need to go down right now, otherwise the bearish scenario is actually invalidated. And from that very moment, we actually started to go down. So that means that we can still not exclude the bearish scenario. In my weekend video, I will provide a higher time frame analysis, and then we will discuss this bearish scenario in more depth. But assuming that the bearish scenario is still valid and we have a fifth wave up here, that would be the fifth wave of a wave C of an expanded flat structure, so of a wave B. More details in my weekend video. That would mean that we actually need to go down as an impulse from here. And this is also the alternative count you see here in red. So it would mean that this here was our wave 1, this here or wave 2 instead of the wave B. And so now we might be working on this third wave. Then I would think that our wave 1 is somewhere situated right here, that this was the wave 2. And then, yeah, we need to go further down. So that would be the bearish case. However, primary scenario is the bullish one. In different time frames, the NASDAQ is bullish in the weekly, in the daily, in the 4 hour, in the 1 hour, in the 15 minute. As you can see, we are making higher highs, higher lows in all the time frames. But now, okay, we took out the low right here, so that could indicate a reversal. However, at the same time, it's also normal to take out your previous low during a correction. So primary scenario is still here, the scenario in green, the bullish one, where this is a wave 4 and where we expect a fifth wave. If we would start to violate, for instance, here the extreme boundary of the wave 4 area, which actually also coincides with a support area. So it would be quite surprising to simply break this area right here. If that would happen, because in financial markets everything is possible, of course, then yeah, we have to consider, or we have to focus more on our bearish scenario as well. But yeah, in the end, the true invalidation level for the moment of the bullish scenario is here, or wave 2 low. So the wave 4 correction cannot go beyond the end of our wave 2 or the start of our wave 3. That would not be possible from an Elliott wave point of view. So here, this might be a warning violation of the area right here, a warning for the bullish scenario, and taking out the wave 2 low right here would be an invalidation of the bullish scenario, the scenario in green. Okay, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you one of the next days for another update on the NASDAQ. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.